In this video, how to fix cannot install extension because it uses an unsupported manifest version in Google Chrome. You got this because you're trying to install a version 2 manifest extension. So, to bypass it, you need to install the extension manually instead of installing from the Google Chrome store. This is a temporary solution because the Manifest v2 will be disabled in future versions of Google Chrome. The first step, from the URL bar, let's open the Chrome Flags page. Search for Manifest Experiments. Then enable the Allow Legacy Extension Manifest Version option. Click on Relaunch Google Chrome button to restart the Google Chrome. The next step, download the source code of the extension. Then, extract it to a folder on your computer. Next, open the Chrome Extension Management page. At the top right corner, toggle on the switch to enable Developer Mode. This mode allows you to install extensions manually from the source code instead of installing from the Google Chrome Web Store. Now, click the Load Unpacked button, then browse to the extracted folder. As you can see, the extension is now installed and working as expected. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.